Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change country on Ome TV. So if you want to meet people from different countries on Ome TV, whether you are bored with the same faces or want to explore new regions, I'll show you exactly how you can change your country on Ome TV step by step. So Ome TV doesn't offer a built-in change country button like some apps, but there are two methods that still work in 2025. First, you can using a VPN or you can using a browser trick, but it only works for a desktop. So for the first method, you can the easiest and the most reliable way is with a VPN because this changes your virtual locations. So you can just download a trusted VPN like Proton VPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark, and open the VPN and select the country that you want. And once you're connected, you can open the Ome TV app in your browser or app, and you'll now be matched with people from that country. Make sure your Ome TV isn't already open in the background before switching the VPN. You can close and reopen it after changing. In desktop, you can do some browser location tricks. So if you don't want to use a VPN, you can try this Chrome trick. You can open Chrome on your computer and go to Ome TV's website and press F12 or right click and inspect and go to the sensors tab, and then change your location coordinates manually. You can use coordinates of another country via Google Maps. After that, you can just refresh the Ome TV page. But this doesn't always work depending on Ome TV's detections, but it's worth trying if you are on PC. But you need to know that changing your region is allowed if you are just exploring, but don't use this to break rules or spam, or you might get banned. So be respectful and do some safe way to change the country. And that's pretty much all. So I suggest you, if you use it on mobile, you can just change the VPN using the apps that I told you before. But if you open it on your browser, you can do the Chrome trick. That's all for me. That's how you can change your country on Ome TV with or without a VPN. And if this helpful for you, you can hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below which country you're connecting to next. And also don't forget to click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next ones. Bye.